look over and the dishwasher is open and Alex is putting dishes away. Unprompted. Are you putting the dishes away? You're being so helpful. Thank you, buddy. Look at you. You're so helpful. Thank you. You're putting dishes away? You're such a good boy. You even are putting them in the right drawer. You're amazing. You're amazing. Well, this is the start of a good thing. I think it is. Is it time to start some chores now? You seem to enjoy it. Do you like putting dishes away? Sweet boy. You're such a good boy. Mommy loves you so much. Yeah, putting the spoons away. You are. You're very carefully selecting the spoons. You amaze me every day, little man. You do. Yep, we're very carefully selecting the spoons. Being so helpful. Yes, you are. You're being so helpful. When I looked over and saw you playing in the dishwasher, I was about to scold you before I realized what you were doing. Good thing Mommy didn't scold you. Alex's organization here. Not too shabby. We've got this little compartment here. You having fun? Are you having fun? I can't believe you, child. We're picking out the spoons and putting the spoons away.